Hi kids, welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. Today, we're going to discuss about the human body systems. In this lesson, you will be able to identify the main organs of the body system such as muscular, skeletal, digestive, circulatory, and respiratory systems. You will be able to describe how the body systems keep the body alive. Are you ready? Every day, our body performs many amazing tasks like running, walking, playing, studying, sing, and dance. This is possible because the human body is made up of different organ systems. Each organ system has a special job, but all body systems work together to keep us alive and healthy. Humans and animals have body systems, each composed of organs and tissues that are made up of cells. Each part of the body has a specific function, and when all parts work together well, the person is healthy. The cells are the smallest units of life. They are tiny building blocks of the body. Example of this is the muscle cell. Cells with the same structure and function work together to form tissues. Example, muscle tissue. Different tissues work together to form organs. Example is the heart. Organs work together in groups called organ systems to perform important functions. Example, the circulatory system. And all organ systems work together to form an organism, a complete living being. Example, the human being and animals. Proper diet, exercise, and rest are important in maintaining good health. The organs that make up an organ system vary in number and complexity. Simple animals such as jellyfish have a simple muscular system composed of muscle tissues that allow it to move about in water, while complex animals such as insects have more organized muscles that enable to fly around. Humans and even more complex animals have a muscular system that vary in size to perform movements. As I've said earlier, our body has many organ systems. Each organ system performs a specific function. When all body systems work together properly, we stay healthy, we grow normally, we move, we breathe, we digest food, and we fight diseases. Proper health habits help body systems work well. Some healthy habits are: eat nutritious food, exercise regularly, get enough sleep, drink plenty of water, and practice good hygiene. Let's now discuss each human body system. The muscular system. Muscular system. The muscular system is responsible for all body movement. Muscles are made of long, thin muscle fibers that can shorten or contract and lengthen to create motion. There are three types of muscles: cardiac, skeletal, and smooth muscle. Cardiac muscles are found in the heart. These muscles cause the heart to beat. The actions of the smooth and cardiac muscles are involuntary. They act without your conscious thought. Skeletal muscles are attached to the bones. These muscles move the bones and help protect the internal organs. Skeletal muscles are responsible for voluntary movements such as dancing. And smooth muscles are found in internal structures such as the digestive tract and blood vessels. The muscles in the digestive tract move the food you eat, while the muscles in the blood vessels move blood cells. You may watch the entire lesson on my YouTube channel for a more detailed discussion of the muscular system. The skeletal system. Skeletal system. The skeletal system is made up of bones connected by joints and ligaments. The point where two or more bones connect is the joint. Joints allow your body to move and your muscles to contract. Ligaments are tissues that connect bones together. These are the five key functions of the skeletal system. It gives the body its shape and form. It allows movement. Muscles pull on bones to move. It protects soft internal organs like the skull protects the brain and ribs protect the heart and lungs. It makes blood cells inside bone marrow and it stores minerals like calcium. The skeletal system is made up of about 206 bones of different shapes and sizes. There are long, short, flat, and irregular shaped bones. Example of long bone is the humerus. Example of flat bone is the sternum. For the short bone is the carpal. And for the irregular bone is the vertebra. Our body has different kinds of joints. Each one helps us move in a special way. These are the types of joints. Immovable joint. These joints do not move. The bones are joined together. Example of immovable joint is the skull. Hinge joint. These joints move back and forth in one direction. Example of this is our elbow and knee. Ball and socket joint. These joints move in many directions. Examples is our shoulder and hip. Pivot joint. These joints allow bones to turn or rotate. Example is our neck. And the gliding joint. These joints allow bones to slide over one another. Examples is our wrist and ankle. For the full explanation, head over to my YouTube channel and watch the complete videos of the skeletal system and the joints, cartilages, ligaments, and tendons. The digestive system. Digestive system. The digestive system is the body system responsible for extracting nutrients and other useful substances. When you take in food, it needs to be broken into a form that can be absorbed by the cells in your body. Food must be broken down into nutrients in a process called digestion. Breaking down food into simpler substances for use by the body is the work of the digestive system. These are the parts of the digestive system. Mouth. Food enters here. Teeth chew food into small pieces, and saliva softens food and starts digestion. Then it will proceed to the esophagus, a long tube that connects the mouth to the stomach, moves food down to the stomach using muscle movements called peristalsis. The stomach stores and churns the food, mixes food with digestive juices, and breaks down food into a thick liquid. It will proceed to the small intestine. Digestion is completed here. Nutrients are absorbed through the walls of the intestine into the blood. Nutrients give energy and help the body grow and repair. The large intestine absorbs water and some minerals, and it forms solid wastes. Then it stores waste in the rectum. Waste is removed from the body during bowel movements. For the full explanation of the digestive system, again, head over to my YouTube channel and watch the complete video. The circulatory system. Circulatory system. The circulatory system or the cardiovascular system is responsible for distributing nutrients, oxygen, and other essential substances to all parts of the body. It also takes away carbon dioxide and other waste materials to the different excretory organs. The circulatory system main organ is the heart, and these are the parts of the heart. We'll explore the parts of the heart more thoroughly in my next lesson. These are the main parts of the circulatory system: the heart, blood, and blood vessels. The heart pumps blood throughout the body. The blood carries oxygen, nutrients, hormones, and waste materials. The blood vessels is a network of tubes that carry blood to and from all parts of the body. How it works: the heart pumps blood to all parts of the body through blood vessels. Blood delivers oxygen and nutrients to body cells and picks up waste to be taken away from the body. Blood with oxygen comes from the lungs and goes to the body, while blood without oxygen goes to the heart. The respiratory system. Respiratory system. The respiratory system allows us to breathe. It supplies oxygen and removes carbon dioxide. Breathing is made possible by the lungs. The lungs provide oxygen to the heart and other body organs and removes carbon dioxide. These are the main organs of the respiratory system. Again, we'll explore the main organs of the respiratory system more thoroughly in my next lesson. How breathing happens. During inhalation, diaphragm contracts and moves downward. Rib muscles lift the rib cage. Chest cavity expands, and the lungs fill with air. During exhalation, diaphragm relaxes and moves upward. Rib muscles relax. Chest cavity becomes smaller, and air leaves the lungs. How body systems work together. Example is respiratory system and circulatory system interaction. Lungs bring in oxygen, and blood carries oxygen to the body cells. Digestive system and circulatory system interaction. Digestive system absorbs nutrients, and blood transports nutrients. And muscular system and skeletal system interaction. Bones support the body, and muscles pull bones to create movement. And to keep your body healthy, eat nutritious food, exercise regularly, drink plenty of water, get enough sleep, wash hands often, practice good posture, avoid smoking and harmful substances, and visit a doctor regularly. Take care of your body today for a better tomorrow. A healthy body leads to a happy life. Once again, these are the human body systems: muscular system, skeletal system, digestive system, circulatory system, and respiratory system. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to watch part 2 of our lesson Human Body Systems, where we'll answer the activities together. See you there.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.